All right, so let's look at some of the software available and see how we can create some nice prompts with it. So the first one is Leonardo. Okay, this is OpenAI, by the way. And they also have OpenAI is the same guys as ChatGPT. And it's called OpenArt. And you can, I wonder if it's OpenArt. I wonder, I'm not too sure actually if it is part of, I'm really not sure if it's part of. Scratch my previous mention of part of OpenAI. I'm probably wrong. Let's go to Leonardo. There it is. You see, I thought I go to Leonardo because what I see is Leonardo AI, which is actually OpenArt. But yeah, of course, this is the right one, Leonardo AI. But try the others. I mean, why not? They all will have available credits for you that will be free. And once again, you type in a prompt. The next thing is the frame. Remember, 1 by 1, 16 by 9, and 9 by 16. So we're just going to create a square maybe for this one. I see it's got all kinds of additional things. You can create a video. Should it be a portrait? Should it be more creative, cinematic, and so forth? An intelligent preset that automatically selects the best model for your prompt. All right. So basically what it comes down to is that just like LLMs, if you think of Perplexity, for instance, you can choose ChatGPT, you can choose Kimi and things like that within the platform. It's the same with Leonardo, but the only difference is you can choose the graphical models available. I'm on the free plan, so every day I get 150 tokens for free. And under models, yes, all Nano Banana is now the most well-known, the most often used model. But these are all the different ChatGPT have models. There's Nano Banana Pro. And many others. So we're going to say to Leonardo, use your default auto selection, so it will choose the best model for what you want to create. How many images do I want to see? Generate me 2. Okay, I can't on the free plan, but 1 is also fine. We can always create another one later on. And then you have additional things. For instance, okay, all these things cost money. Go for the $10 if you really need these things. I don't even. I just use what is here. The style, remember in the previous video, we can create different styles. A stock photo will normally be an image of your product in a very great setting. Should it be dynamic, it will choose for you. So we haven't created a prompt yet. So let's go to Kimi. I'm just going to go out of our presentation for now. going to go to all chats and I want to find out. All right, we had a herbal brand discovery type of setup, right? So, sorry, what I want to do is to use this brand that was built and ask it to create as a image that, or a prompt for an image. So let's just get on with it so we don't run out of time. I've got 12 minutes per video, right? So please create me a prompt for an image in Leonardo for this customer's homepage. We are looking at this brand, look at the brand colors and so forth, and come up with a hero image prompt. Keep it simple and light, that will make an impact, that tells a story about what this site is all about. So let's see what prompt Kimi comes up with, and we can refine it. But now we specifically ask for a prompt in regards to images. And even this prompt, you can see that I used, I say what it should do, right? The rest of the stuff, I didn't really went into context or anything. Why would you say not? Why didn't I do it? Because it remembers all the stuff that we talked about previously. Keep in mind the context window, right? A cinematic editorial photograph of sun-dried herbs and fresh. Let's try this one. I'm not even going to read through it. I'm just going to grab it. And then here it tells me the style should be photorealistic or cinematic, a 16:9 because it's a hero image, guidance scale 7:8, negative prompt, clinical white. So you can add, and let me show you what is meant by this negative prompt. You can add that prompt in there. It already told you, all right, we're going to use a 16:9. The style is set cinematic or photorealistic. I don't see photorealistic, so I'm going to choose that. Now, a negative prompt, we don't have the functionality by the look of it to create a, let me just start generating this image. But you'll find that, in the paid version, you can, for instance, say what it should not do. Don't be clinical. Don't be, it looks like a doctor's place and so forth. So there it is. It generated an image. I like it actually. But it's still not saying enough in my opinion. But on the other hand, if you now say your mode that they had, there was something around I can't remember, it was here somewhere a tagline where it says, we will, each herbal remedy is specifically made for you. There was a very nice wording. But now if I look at this image and I put it there, it will actually look very nice. Okay, but let's and here you can see I had 150 credits. I see I can at least do another 15 images, all right? So it's not too bad, 15 images in one day. It also gave us another example, a second example. So let's do the second one too. Exactly the same type of thing. I'm going to say generate. Now each of these type of tools will have some uniqueness to them. So I don't know what flow state is. I don't know what the blueprints is. It's extra fun. Oh, all right. I see what it did. So the first one is just the product. The second one to have human in it. And it actually seems, I can't see the thumb. I suppose he's got a thumb. 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. This actually looks quite good. I like it. Now, once you click on an image like this one, you can now upscale it. So you can make it look even better. So let's upscale this one. We want to make it more realistic, those hands. Upscale will be 17 credits. So let's make it high. And I'm going to upscale it. There we go. So I'll see you in the next video, and we will then look at how the upscaling came out. And then I want to use reference videos, or reference images rather. But all right, look at this. It was very quick, quicker than I thought it will be. Yeah, it does look very, very good. Okay. So what do you do with it? How about you download it, right? You click there, download it. I like this image, you know, and you can also remix it with other images, or you can create a video from it. So this guy, you'll probably see if we create a video, how he's busy, you know, working with his herbs. But that's it for this video. You can see the model that was used is Nano Banana. It is an extreme, it's part of Google's suite of graphical models, and it does work quite well. So I'll see you in the next video. Bye.